How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport, and we are going to continue today on the w126 300 SD project / restoration. So if you're new to the channel and you're new to this car, I went ahead and did a full interior kind of cleanup on this car over a year ago, and then it got put off to the side, and I decided let's do a really budget-friendly type fix on this car because Christmas is coming up and I didn't want to spend any money, but I've got a lot of projects to do. So came up with some really fun, cool things that we did, and you can see up front there how glossy that looks. We did a kind of patina style to it because some of the paint was peeling up on the aluminum hood, and I wanted to blend that and make it look natural, and I think it came out really, really good. Now, I mentioned in the last video that we were going to be doing something fun with the rims. I searched and searched and searched. I found some really cool rims, and I even threw these ones on just for fun to check them out, and nothing really looked like it fit the car. So I said, it's got these stock rims. What can be done with them? And today I'm going to show you guys how you can really, really restore, especially these nasty old oxidized rims on these W126s. I mean, these look absolutely terrible. And we're going to make it look like this. So I went ahead and put a lot of elbow grease, and we got some nice paint on there that's going to go really well with the car. It's not a perfect match, but it's going to look really good on the car. And we polished the lips. So this was a lot of elbow grease. These are going to get new tires and center caps that I have already ordered, and I'm very excited about the center caps because they're very vintage. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that to one of these rims. So these are aluminum, I think they are at least, and they can be polished. So we're going to go ahead and start with cleaning the inside part here. And we're going to do that using a drill and some brush attachments. So I'm going to show you everything I'm going to use on this. Get some dish soap. Start with 800 grit. You can probably go down to 600 if you've got some gouges and stuff in your rims, maybe even as low as 400. And then you just got to work your way up. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. And then we're going to hit it with a 3,000 sanding pad on this. Now you can use hand sandpaper, and we're going to polish it with that polisher on the lip. Once again, you can do that by hand. So I've got some polish here. I highly recommend a mask and some goggles and some degreaser. That's the only thing I don't think I have out here. So a lot of this can be done by hand. I'm going to be using a drill and a polisher. And then we just got some Rustoleum paint. So I got this pure gold, and I felt like it was a very good match. I tested it before painting the rims, and up against the car, it looks really good. And we're going to clear coat it. Now, we're not going to 2K clear it. We're just going to go with a standard Rustoleum universal clear and get yourself some masking tape, towels, and stuff like that. And that's about it, guys. So let's jump into this. I'll kind of walk you through it. I'm going to speed through a lot of this, but I'm going to show you each step and how you can accomplish that. So let's get going.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. Clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes. from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for something beautiful. She asked for yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me. Tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did.
Well, guys, I'm so excited because everything finally came in. The tires are mounted. The center caps that I was so excited about finally came in. They were absolutely gorgeous, but there's a little catch to them. They don't quite fit, and I'll explain that in just a second. But let's just take a look at these rims, and what a transition from just these old oxidized rims to now. I love the white wall. I was so excited about that. And I ordered these tires in off Amazon. They were less than 200 bucks. I couldn't believe it because no one local even had this size. It's 195, 75, 14, exactly what was on there. Should ride absolutely beautiful with this car. And these center caps, like I said, are just absolutely gorgeous. They're made really well. The colors are beautiful. Go perfectly with our polished rim, the polished ring of the rim there. And just the beautiful gold that I picked out happens to be a Rustoleum color. Now let's go back to these center pieces here because, like I said, absolutely beautiful. I paid $20 for all four. I know they're knockoffs. They do say Mercedes-Benz on the inside, but there's one problem. The piece that's supposed to hold the metal ring is not there. So there's supposed to be a little tab, and I'll show you guys because I went ahead and grabbed another one. These are pretty much all the same across the years, at least all the cars that I have, where you've got this little notch on top. And I'm guessing these were maybe 3D printed. Beautiful job, like I said, absolutely gorgeous color. They're wrapped in plastic. And you guys saw the one on the car was actually, I pulled this piece off, and the color, well, you guys saw it here, how beautiful that color is right there. But when you go to put them in, they just sink to the center. And at first I was like, oh, maybe I should go that route. But when you step back, it just doesn't look the same. It doesn't have that same wow factor that you have there. So my fix to it is going to be siliconing them in. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and do a bead of silicone or something else around that ring to kind of hold it in place. Because when you take this metal piece off, there's no way to get it to stay. I tried everything and it just wants to pop out, and I don't want to lose these center caps. Even though I only paid 20 bucks for them, I want them to last on there. And if I got to put silicone, that's not a big deal. You can scrape the silicone out, but just look how beautiful this came out. Way outside my expectations when I started this, guys. I wasn't sure if I even wanted to run with these rims because I didn't really like them, but it was because I saw how ugly they were when they were oxidized, and now it's like a completely different rim. Especially with that white wall. You might not like that, but that's just the way that I wanted to roll this. I've got a vision for this car to be kind of a fun thing that I've never done before. Like I told you guys, we're going for that patina look. And there's another video that might have come out just before this because that was the goal. And I go through a lot of steps to finally get what I was trying to get out of this car for the patina look. There was a whole bunch of problems I ran into. And this part here is several weeks after I polished out these rims. So this has been quite a long process, but I didn't want to rush this. I wanted to have fun with it and show you guys a couple of things you can do without spending really any money. I mean, maybe very minimal money because I did have to get the tires. I did have to put the center caps on here, but we're doing this car on a very low budget just to have fun with it. Something, if you picked up a car out there and you just want to make it look better and have some fun with it, this is what you guys can do, especially with the rims. It makes a world of difference. I'm going to go ahead and throw these two on the car. We still have to polish out the lip on the other two and get those painted. I just haven't had time, but I got these two done and got all the tires mounted on there, so it should be a pretty quick process. And you guys will see all of them mounted on the next video where we update the further progress of the patina. So let's go ahead and get these two on there and just take a look how they look. And let's talk about what else we're going to do to this car. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these rims out in the sun, and they are just absolutely beautiful. I cannot be happier with the outcome. The color's a little different. It's not really in tune with this, but I really wanted that bright gold color. And once we're done doing all the patina on this car, they're really going to stand out, and that was the goal. We'll polish up all of the chrome on this car and kind of give it that vintage look that I want, like really nice polished chrome, really nice rims. And the next step is we're gonna slam this car. That I am so excited about, but it is for sale. So at any moment, if you guys want to send me an offer on this car, it's probably gonna be a little bit before I get to lower this car, but we're gonna get into that next. I'm probably gonna put some wheel spacers to kind of bring out these wheels I gotta see how it looks when it's lowered, but I think that's gonna be necessary. But look at just how elbow grease and time can do a lot with any of these cars, guys. So if you pick one up that just needs a little work, hopefully this gives you guys some ideas out there if you have one of these, because I think that's such a cool look. If you just paint the center to kind of match, and you can get color match paint to match your car perfectly if you want to go about it the perfectly right way. And you can even have a shop do this, even if you prep it yourself. Now, the one thing I do got to point out is I forgot about my lug nuts. These ones are all rusted up, so hopefully I can go pick up some new ones, some nice chrome ones to kind of match this lip here. But other than that, I'm blown away, guys, and I hope you guys are too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something, and I hope I gave you guys some ideas. You guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.